up, guys? It's me, Jacob, again. I got the Civic sitting there warming up. I'm about to go on a morning drive. I was going to upload the video that I had filmed of me putting in the harness bar, but I didn't really like it. So I'm going to film me going on a morning drive. I don't really know where we're going to go, what we're going to do, but I got a couple ideas and I want to take y'all along with me. Alright guys, so we're in the Civic right now. Whoops, I almost stopped the camera. So we're in the Civic right now. I'm going to mount the camera, show you guys the cluster while I'm driving and not my face. And I'm just going to go on a little rip. buy the eBay turbo kit, and then just buy new gaskets and flanges, and make my own exhaust, and a couple of other things that need to be changed out with the eBay turbo kit that are slipping my mind right now. Or there is a car that comes with a supercharger from factory, and it's not a Honda. Well, it could, but it's not. It's not a Honda, but it can be fabricated, and I'm thinking I could buy this dang old supercharger, fabricated to my belt, my crate, and mount it on the AC bracket, and just rip it like maybe 10, 11 pounds. And I mean, I'm already running 11-to-1 compression, so it's not going to take a lot of pounds of boost, but hey, we need boost. We need boost in our lives. So yeah, just comment down below. Factory belt-driven supercharger or eBay turbo kit, or precision turbo kit for all I care. I mean, spending that much money on a turbo is a lot, especially with the my camera fell. Anyways, spending that much money on a turbo is kind of a lot, especially with the goal of like maybe a future K-swap. So it's kind of leaving that out of the picture as of right now. But hey, if y'all guys want it, then I might do it. You never know. But yeah, let's get to filming.